students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. And are you ready for the class? Okay, so this is our last PT2 revision. After that your exams will start from 24th of January. Okay, so let's start with me. Let's start our revision works. First of all, take out your rubber and pencils, and along with that also open your notebook. Okay, and what we will do first we will mention the date here. So you also write the date in your notebook. Okay, what is the date of the day? Today is 21 and 22. Okay, yes, so today we will do our revision work. Okay, so first of all, write here PT2 revision, REVISION, revision. ठीक है? Yes, and today we will write the letters from O to X. Okay, yes, and start writing the letters with me. First we will start our writing work from letter O and on letter X. ठीक है, O से start करेंगे और letter X लिख लेंगे, तब हम रुक जाएंगे. ठीक है, write first our letter, write O, left big curve, touch the third line, then go upside slowly and join with the left big curve. Okay, so this is our letter O. Yes, after O which letter will come? Letter P. How to draw letter P? For making our letter P, first draw one standing line. After that, draw one right small curve from top to the middle. Okay, so this is our letter P. Okay, P for pen, P for parrot. Okay, so after that which letter will come after P? Q. So write the letter Q here. First of all, we make letter O for making our letter Q. Okay, yes, after that put one dot on the middle, and from there you have to draw one right small slanting line from middle to the bottom for making our letter Q. Okay, yes, and after Q which letter will come? For that tell once again, O, P, Q, then R. Letter R will come after Q. Right, first draw one standing line, after that again go upside, and then draw a right small curve from top to the middle. है ना? Okay, so which letter is this? This is our letter P. Okay, yes, now tell me which letter will come after P? No, this is our letter R. R will come after letter Q. So first we will draw one standing line, after that go upside and draw one small right curve, and after that don't pick up your pencil, and from there you have to draw one right small slanting line from middle to the bottom for making our letter R. Okay, yes, and tell me students which letter will come after R? Then letter S will come. Okay, so write the letter S here. For making this letter, first draw one left small curve from top to the middle and then stop there. After that turn your pencil and draw one more right small curve from middle to the bottom for making our letter S. Okay, yes, after S which letter will come? Yes, after that T will come. Okay, T for toy. So first draw one small slipping line. After that, in between the slipping line, we have to draw one standing line from top to the bottom like this. Okay, S, T, then U. Okay, so how to draw? First draw one standing line, small standing line. After that, from middle line you have to draw one U-turn or U-curve. Okay, after that again draw the standing line upside. ठीक है ना? Yes. So this is our letter U. Okay. Yes. And tell me after U which letter will come after U? Letter V. So draw the letter V here. How to draw? First draw one slanting line from top to the bottom. After that don't pick up your pencil and from there you have to draw one more slanting line from upside. Go from bottom to the top for making the letter V. Okay, and after V which letter will come? Now letter W will come after V. Okay, W. How to draw letter W? For making our letter W, we need all the slanting lines in this letter. First draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom. Then don't pick up your pencil. Again go upside and draw one more slanting line from bottom to the top. Again come down and draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom and stop there, and again go upside and draw one more slanting line from bottom to the top for making our letter W. Okay, W letter इसमें क्या होता है? Whenever we use all the four slanting line, whenever we make this letter W. Okay, always remember that. Okay, don't use standing line. Okay, yes. Now tell me which letter will come after W. Now X letter will come after W. Okay, so draw one right slanting line from top to the bottom and then again go upside, right side, and draw one left slanting line from top to the middle. है ना? Okay. So this is our letter X. Both lines are cut each other on the middle line. दोनों जो स्लैंटिंग लाइन्स है वो इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करनी है आपको, जो बीच वाली लाइन पे, जो हमारी मिडिल लाइन है उस पे एक दूसरे को टच करे, कट करती हैं जो एक दूसरे को. ठीक है ना? ओके, सो दिस इज आवर लेटर एक्स. ओके, हमने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था लेटर्स लिखना? ओ से, और एंड कहाँ पे किया है हमने? एक्स पे, है ना? सो ओके, स्पीक ऑल द लेटर्स, स्पीक आउट विथ मी. लेटर ओ. O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, and W for watch or W for wool, and X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. So okay, now prepare your studies well for the exam. Okay, and do practice these letters again and again, है ना? सिलेबस आपको पहले भी पता है, पहले से ही भेज दिया गया है, सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो है आपको लेटर्स की अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना है. सो डू प्रैक्टिस दीज लेटर्स वेल एट योर होम चिल्ड्रन, and we will meet in our next class. Okay, so keep safe at your home. Till then, bye bye to everyone. Okay.